Joyce Strube here, Bikeman Performance, Technical Tuesday segment on removing the exhaust system on a Polaris AXYS. We've had a lot of questions about this, so I'm going to show you how we do it. First step, take off some side panels. Take off both sides first. Put them in a nice safe place. Next step will be removing the hood. So you got to undo the connector for the headlight, which is right in here. It's just a little push clip. Push it, release it. Do that. This guy's got his zip tie. Must have broke his clip on this side. No problem. Clip that. Lift up the hood, pops right out the front. Get that out of the way. Next step, grab a 14mm wrench. Pop the pipe sensor loose. If it's a 2018, it's going to be a 17mm wrench. Next step, most important step, get your Bikeman spring puller. Its added length makes everything a whole lot easier. You can pull or push. This part here is for pulling on the spring. The other side is made for pushing on the spring. I like a magnetic tray, so that we can always keep the pieces together. Now, if you're on one where you're pushing like this one, just go like that. Comes right loose. Now we'll have the back one. That one's a little trickier to get to, but it's not too bad with this tool. Loose. That's what's behind your muffler. Go in, pull it up. Now, get this one loose. Wasn't even hard to get out of there with a hot dog on it. Next step. This one. Now, the one everybody has such a hard time getting. The bottom one. Just snipe underneath it and pull it. This is where the added length comes in handy. Now, all we got left is the top two. You take the side where you push. Even got a bumper on it, makes it a little more tricky, but it still pops right loose. Voila! You got the pipe out. Thanks for joining us. Next week we'll have something else for you.